Monday again. The weeks are just flying by at the minute, I think, because I'm so busy. Today I'm working on a 50s, beautiful little 50s party dress that I'm doing some work on for a client. So I'm really excited that people are starting to bring more vintage clothes in for me to upcycle and alter for them. I love that. So if you're watching and you've got something you'd like me to work on, just let me know. I love doing this. So the first thing I'm doing is dyeing some lace that we're going to add underneath the organza layer on her skirt. So I'm dyeing the lace just to a really, really pale pink to match her dress, or as close as we can to the dress. I'm actually just doing it in the bath today rather than on the cooktop because it's so pale I didn't need to heat the dye, I just needed to use some hot water. And I think also this is pretty much, it looks a really good colour, so it's pretty much ready to take out and rinse and dry. So this is the dress that I'm working on today. My client has kindly agreed to me filming the alterations and upcycle that we're doing. So it's the most beautiful pale blush pink with these iridescent sequins on. Some of the sequins down on the skirt have discoloured a fair bit, so we're actually going to replace them. And it's got no beading on the back, so we're going to be adding some beading around the back. We're going to be adding the lace under the organza and changing the fit, changing the boning. So there's a fair bit of work to do on it, and she's in for her first fitting this afternoon. So I'm just going to do the first part of the alteration and then try it on her when she comes to see me later. Morning! It's Thursday and it is chucking it down out there. It is so wet. I've just dropped my daughter at school and she's off on a school excursion today. Poor thing, they're going to get soaked. Oh, they'll have fun, I'm sure. Today's my last day at work for the week. This week's gone so quick again. I'm working, then I've been coming home working on my mum's birthday present, so I can't film that because it's all secret because the vlog will be up before it arrives for her birthday. So I have to finish that when I get home. And then tonight I'm off to a drag show, which is really exciting. A drag karaoke with my friend Shona Cloaks there, and can't wait. I've never been to one of her events before, so I'm super excited. I better get to work because I think the traffic's going to be horrible in this horrible weather. So yeah, ugh. My fringe is already looking like crap because I got caught in the rain, so never mind. Alright, time to go to work. I'll catch you later. Morning, it's Saturday. I haven't filmed much this week at all. I've been working on a lot of presents and gifts for people, so it's something that I haven't been able to film. So I've just posted my mum's birthday presents. I've been working on that quite a lot this week, so I couldn't film that because by the time the vlog goes up it won't even have arrived. Her birthday's not for another week yet. I was working on another gift for someone that was an order, so it's all been lots of top secret things at the minute. So this morning I've got another order which is a gift to work on, but I can show you this one because it's being given tomorrow and the vlog won't be up till Monday. Kartika's son is turning 7 and he is a huge Michael Jackson fan, and Kartika has asked me to make him a pair of gold sequin pants, which is, I think it's Michael Jackson's Billie Jean stage costume it's going with or something like that. I didn't get any sewing done yesterday. By the time I ran around and got everything I needed, it was time to go to my daughter's dance concert, and then we had an 18th birthday dinner in the evening, and I just blinked and the whole day was gone just running errands and going to those things. So it's Sunday morning now and I've got to make these Michael Jackson pants for Kartika's son and deliver them to his birthday party because his birthday's today. I got the song wrong yesterday. It's actually Michael Jackson's Smooth Criminal stage outfit that we're doing the pants from. So I went on YouTube and I had a watch of it, and they're not sequins at all, and I was a bit worried about the sequins catching, the sequins will catch on themselves sometimes. So for pants I was worried about the legs catching together. So I went to Spotlight and I have bought some gold lame, which I think is going to make much better trousers. The pants have got like a black stripe. It almost looks like a belt, but it's actually a black stripe on the trousers just below the waistband. So I've got some black, just really stretchy lycra as well. Oh, new overlocking threads. I've got some elastic. And I've bought just a simple leggings pattern that I'm going to use as the basis. And then Kartika's lent me a pair of pants to use as a pattern as well, so I'm going to combine the two to get the size right. So this is one of his other, I think this must be his, is this Thriller? This must be his Thriller costume, I think. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is open this pattern and work out which size is right, and then I'm probably going to need to cut them a little bit fuller than the leggings, but this should give me a good starting point. I'm going to trace a copy of this pattern so I can keep this whole. Then I've got it to use other sizes if I need to. I've got my pattern cut and pinned on, and then I'm going to cut it about an inch wider either side at the bottom so it's more trouser-like and less legging-like. So I'm using an overlocker with 4 threads in it to sew this, and it's sewing alright actually. I've got the legs joined at the sides, now I'm joining them front to back. Wow, that was really chunky at the back and it didn't like it. It's on there, so I think it's okay. Cool, we have pants. Gotta hem them and I'm done. Hopefully he likes them. And they're done. So I'm gonna go and deliver them to the birthday boy. I hope they fit. And I hope he likes them. I can't wait. Kartika's bought him the rest of the outfits. I can't wait to see it all together. Hopefully I'll get a performance too. It's 3 o'clock, I'm back from the party and filming Kartika's son in those trousers. My god, he just loved them. It was so cool. He's I think he's going to start his own YouTube channel soon, so I'll post a link when he does and you can see him doing all his Michael Jackson moves and his outfits. So now I have set up the studio and I'm about to film tonight's video. I'm running so far behind, it's 3 o'clock and I haven't even started filming, so tonight's video will probably be up a little bit late. So I'm going to do this coat this week. This is one of the vintage coats in that beautiful bag of vintage clothes that I got from the Buy Nothing Facebook group. So Kartika found this trim when we were at the upcycling workshop at Cardiff Collective. So we're going to add that to it. So I need to shorten it, add darts at the front because there's some damage. Add the trim around the collar, the cuffs, the pocket flaps and the back. Put some buttons on because it's got no buttons at the minute. Get all that done and get the video edited and up in time for tonight. So always a rush. Everything's a rush. So I'm going to get on and do that, get the video up, and I'll see you next week.